Here's the footing that we're pouring today. Our stem wall pour. See that we're not able to, because we didn't want to use too much concrete, we had to go ahead and build a form in there. Got all my kickers going in there. Plenty of rebar in there. That should be good. There we go. Got kickers. That's what it looks like now. And time to get my $1 million mixing machine out myself and start mixing some concrete. So, peace. Okay, so here we are. About 10 bags in. Just a little bit less than halfway there. Coming together. Looking good. Pile of concrete dwindling. Okay, I'll see you at the end. Okay, folks, well, there it is. It's all poured in. Ready to cure up. Looks good. Forms didn't blow out. Still doing some cleanup, but bam. Well, hang on now.